If you're experiencing login errors on Amazon Prime, don't worry. This guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue step by step. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can cause login issues. Try switching to a different network or resetting your router if necessary. Step 2. Verify your login credentials. Double-check your email address and password. Make sure there are no typos or errors. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Step 3. Clear cache and cookies. If you're using a web browser, clearing the cache and cookies can help resolve login issues. Go to your browser settings, find the Privacy or History section, and clear your browsing data. Step 4. Update the app or browser. Ensure that you are using the latest version of the Amazon Prime app or your web browser. Outdated software can lead to compatibility issues. Update the app or browser and try logging in again. Step 5. Contact Amazon support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Amazon customer support for assistance. They can help troubleshoot the issue further and provide specific solutions. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any login errors on Amazon Prime. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from Amazon's support team.